Hey everyone, this is Lel already from Abstrakt Music Lab, and today we're starting something new in the channel. We're just gonna review cool stuff for producer, whether it's paid, whether it's free, whether it's a pack, VST, or just a library like this one. Today we're starting with a Kontakt library for strings. It's called Pallete Primary Colors. I found it online today, and it's just so cool, and it's free, which is the most important part of it. Take a listen to how it sounds like. So cool, isn't it? You also have winds and brasses. And for all these instruments, you have staccato mode. And for everything, you can play around with the effects. It has a ton of effects. You have a ton of elements over here to play around with. For example, strings, if you want them to wobble a little bit more, or if you want them a little bit more steady. If you want them a little bit more subtle, you play around with the dynamics or expression. Or if you want to make it tremolo, you can also play around here with the tremolo. Or you can just play around with the ADSR or a mixer of all these sounds. And again, it's just so cool and free. This is not a paid promotion. I got it myself. And you can get it also over here in the description below. I'm going to leave a link over there so you can download this library by yourself as well. And if you're still up here with us, hit the like button if you're liking the video, subscribe to the channel if you're loving it. And if you have anything for us to review or just to recommend to us so you can also share it with other producers as well, put it here in the comment section so you can make a video and share it with other people as well. But thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next Abstrakt video next week. Ciao.